Okay, if you listen closely, you can hear there's a teacher teaching students about how to properly break up with people, which is actually an amazing use of provincial money. But I'm here in school, and I'm going to try to just do the square problem here. It's not complicated. We just have to get at this. So, like, in the very beginning, when you were learning multiplication, probably somebody said, okay, if you have something that's, let's say, 3 high, 1, 2, 3 high, and 3 across, well, the area of it is going to be, well, if we count up all these blocks, there'll be 3 here, and then there'll be 3 again, then there'll be 3 again. And so the area is 3 times 3, or area is length times width. Okay? So that's the basic thing. So if we presented you with a square that says x minus 3 times x plus 2, the area is x minus 3, which is the length, times x plus 2. Okay? So there you go. I can't ignore this classroom going on in the background, but there you go. You just, and then you FOIL that out, and you'd find the area of that cube. And if we wanted to find the area of, let's say, a cube that has another cube cut out of it, well, guess what? We take the area of the whole thing, you subtract the area of the middle thing, so it would be, let's say this is x minus 5, this is x minus 6, so you'd have x minus 3 times x plus 2 minus x minus 5 times x minus 6, and you just FOIL that out. My computer went off, but you just FOIL that out. That's it. So when you look at one of these problems, you get the area of the bigger thing, you subtract the area of the smaller thing. The reason this is actually applicable is things like what I'm doing with constructing a cabin, where you might know, let's say all you know is that you want to have um, something that's 5 meters longer than it is wide, but you don't know how wide it's going to be. Well, then the outside area, let's say this is x, well, this will be that same length x plus 5, right? So when I'm designing a house, I'll go, oh, whatever this is going to be 5 meters longer in order to keep that kind of rectangular shape that I want. And then if I knew my walls were, let's say, 1 meter thick, those are thick walls, then I would know that this inside, this would be x minus 2, because there's a meter there and a meter there, right? So this is minus 2 meters, and this would be x plus 5, now minus 2. So this is going to be x plus 5 minus 2 will be x plus 3. And I would be able to find the total area of insulation that I have to put inside my walls, depending on what I choose for x. Let's say it's 20 meters, then I would have 25 meters by 20 meters here. And I'd be able to actually calculate the insulation in my house. And in order to do that, I actually have to use this mathematics that you're learning right now. So that's why they have these questions, and I hope that's kind of illuminating on how to do them.